Hello, my name is Yanni. Today I will tell you about April 30. April 30 is a special day for Vietnamese people. On that day, we don't go to school and do some activities. So I will tell you about my April 30 holiday. First, on Tuesday evening, I did my math homework. It was hard and difficult, so my mom taught me how to do it. Then I went to sleep. On Wednesday noon, my family went to my grandparents' house to have lunch. In the afternoon, my mom took me and my sister to my uncle's house and we met my cousins there. Then my mom came back home. I was happy. On Thursday afternoon, mm, my cousins and I went to the cafe to drink some bubble tea and eat some fried corn. Then we went to the shop. We bought a sticker book, snacks, and a blind box. It was interesting. Then we came back uncle's house and slept there. On Friday morning, my cousins came back Hanoi. I very sad. My parents decided to go to Hanoi too. So my mom took me and my sister and my cat to my auntie's house. I was happy. On Saturday morning, I feed my cat. It likes pate a lot. Then in the evening, my brother bought tea for me and my sister. Then my mom and my dad took me and my sister came back home. My mom said in Hanoi we went to Hoàn Kiếm Lake and went to Hoa Lo prison and ate some delicious food. April 30 was a, an exciting day. On next holiday, I will do more activities than this holiday. Goodbye, everyone.